Switch feeding is a breastfeeding management practice. It's when a mother decides to feed her baby from each breast twice or more during a feeding session. Mothers often choose switch feeding when a baby has given clues that milk flow has changed. Baby might become restless, tired, and they may swallow less often. Switch feeding can also be used with breast compressions to improve milk supply. When you notice your baby getting tired or not swallowing much, take them off your breast before they fall asleep or fuss. Have a quick cuddle, tell them there's more feeding to do, then switch to the next side. This will make sure your baby is draining the breast more effectively. It may be useful going back and forth from one breast to the other as many times as needed, as long as the baby is doing some drinking. By switching sides, your baby gets as much milk as possible. This is a useful practice when your baby is fussing and demanding an increase in supply.